Okay, welcome to the next video. I'm going to do a, don't know if you can see this, wacky washer. So like, I hope it's not back to front on camera, as if it is, that can reverse the footage. Yeah, I'm going to play a bit with this for today. I am hoping, when I've got some money, to buy another washer, one of these, but not wacky washer, but you know what I mean. So I don't know how to put these hands on, but I'll give it a go. You know, I don't think there's a right or one way, but the shape you'd expect, I don't know if you can see, but the shape should be like not fully circle, if you know what I mean. Don't know if you can see that on camera compared. Just to give that close-up shot. Can you see the shape there? It's just not quite circle, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's why I've not put the hands on so far, but because they won't go in. So this is wacky washer. I thought I'd do it on the floor, then it's not falling off tables and that. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, so hopefully it is a bit loud, but I'll load it all up. Let's see what this does. I'm going to stay on camera. You're not falling out, are they? Look at that. Just going to get that below. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if it can go to the camera, to the phone which is there. Let's see. Will it walk to the phone? Oh, it's going back into the couch. I think it's just going to stay in the spot, isn't it? There? Well, if you can see, I don't know if you can see there. Let me get in front of it. I don't know if you can see there, but they've all stuck to the drum. So, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, they all stuck to the drum. Well, let's put challenge to the test. Will it, if I put it on the ground like that, let me get up. Bloody hell. Wonder if I put it on the ground like this. Do you know what? Why don't I play a game? Whoa, that was an action shot, bloody hell. Oh. you feel the air. You know what? While that's doing that, I'm going to go upstairs and get one of those like small balls. I can get them. Just bear with me. There we go. Whoa, look at all those balls. Bear with me. Right, I've got these balls here I used for a challenge in the summer for another video ages ago. So what I can do is collect all these up. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, that's perfect. Cricket balls. We'll see if it in that. No, just one. So let's see. I'll try and get it on camera. Whoa! I'll just get this on camera again. That's a cricket ball, by the way. I think that's what you call it. Yeah. Let's turn that off. In fact, no, let's do it this way. Whoa! That's gone in. Is it going to stay there? Bloody hell. Okay, well that was the cricket ball in the washer, wacky washer. I've got some more balls here. I don't know what quite that ball is, but we'll try a rugby ball. It's like an egg-shaped type ball, that. So let's see how this works out for a thing. Just bear with me. Just wait for it to come round again. Oh, that's stayed in. Whoa! Look at that. That's stayed in, that. Let's see if it'll go out. That doesn't look like it's coming out, does it? Bear with me. Oh, okay. I thought that went under the couch then. I don't think. No, they can't go under there. Okay, well that was the rugby ball. Yeah, that stayed in. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So, in fact, did I do it that way? Okay. Oh yeah, I did, didn't I? So, try netball. I don't think the netball was one of just like the cricket ball then. Ooh! That was good, that one. I see that. Just watch this now. Bloody hell. Right. Just bear with me. Get all these balls. I don't know if you can see this wacky washer at the moment. No. Bloody hell. If you can see that, I'll just try and put some balls in at the same time. Does that look straight on camera? Yeah. Yeah. So what I can do is put that in the round. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! That's 2 balls in there. Let's grab this machine up. Just watch this now. Stay in, stay in, stay in! Oh! Bloody hell. Look at that. There's 2 balls in that. One just hit the camera. There's one in there. Let's see if we rugby. Let's see if we can do the rugby ball. Oh shit! As you can see, I've just put the rugby ball back in there. Oh, and there's the you can't do 3, but ooh, nearly. 3 balls. Just watch this. Woo. Oh yeah, there's still the rugby ball in there. This is amazing, this. Bloody hell. What else? What else can I put in here? Whoa. You know what? I think we should play a little game here. There's 2 balls in there. 2 balls. 3. Ooh. I don't think 3 can fit in there, you know. The rugby ball's still in there. I think it's a rugby ball, yeah. That looks a bit. Just wait for it to go back down so you can see it. Ooh! You know what? Let's play a challenge here. Yes, you can get the ball. Ready? Let's see if we can chuck the ball in the thing. Lucky Washer Challenge video this. Ready? Whoa, yay! Got that one in. Ready? Keep doing it again. Ooh. That's one. So that's one. Ready? Watch me drop it in there. Ooh. Yay! That's two, and I think they can't go further than two, can I? You check that. That's one. Just bear with me. My living room's full of balls here. Okay, right. Do you know what I'm going to do now? Load this up. Do you know what? It's hard to fit stuff in. Right, I've loaded that up. Are you ready to turn this on? They've stayed in. Let's do it again. Keep going. That's not that wacky, is it? Bloody hell. Did you see that? Look, they've stayed in. Just let me turn this on again. Let's see what happens. I thought it would go up then. What else did I put in there? Do you know what? This is noisy, right? This is noisy, right? And my neighbours have turned up the bloody music. The neighbours have turned up the bloody music because they're fed up of hearing me. Yeah. Don't get me fucking copyrighted. Don't get me copyrighted. Yeah, that's the last thing we need. Yeah, but look. Let me tell. What else should we put in here? What else shall we put in here? What else? Let's see. Let's see how many if we can fit in here. Yeah, this is Wacky Washer. I've been doing this video for 23 minutes now. Yeah, Wacky Washer. Quite impressed with this. What shall we do? What shall I put in here? I don't know. I think we'll probably end the video here because my living room's full of bloody balls. Neighbours are sick of me. What else more do I want? Yeah, this is Wacky Washer. I got this off eBay, as you can see, yeah. Well, it can handle those balls anyway, so that's the main thing. Yeah, so comment down below what you think of this video, and also I'll try and do a part 2 of this. But also comment with a few challenge ideas which we can do with this Wacky Washer, because it'll be interesting to find out what we can do with it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.